lovers, there's this tie we all know, but now I want to show you guys how to do it with a smaller layer. Like I like tying a fan with 2 layers. So now this with 3 layers. So this is a 2 layer. Many people will be asking, can a 2 layer tie? Let me tell you something. One of my brethren gave me 1 layer to tie fan, and trust me, that fan came out well. So now, can this 2 layer tie fan? If you believe yes, comment yes. If you believe no, comment no before you watch. Oh yeah, let's go there. Now, first of all, you know what I always do? I'll check for the measurement. So this is 75. So it might get to the end, might not get to the end. But what we do now, we're gonna take little. Also take little for pleats. Pleats. I'm gonna make pleats. So I'm making 3 pleats. I'm just making 2 pleats. Guys, I'm making 3 pleats only. So what we do, place and give out a hold. Okay. Now trust me to always arrange my thing. So if you think 2 lines cannot tie, and trust me, 1 line also can. Yeah, 1 line also can. Just that you make 1 base, just 1 base here, because it's all just 1 or 2 base. So what we do at the back now, we shape. Now because I want a lot, so I'm going to be giving her just little to hold. Oh guys, this ashoke is strong. So you see what we're going to do now? We'll drag. Now let's start what we have come here to do. Ladies and gentlemen, now we just make 1 fold first. We'll make a fold, then we'll raise it up. So let's go. Now I will just make some pleats. Hello, now I've made some pleats. Trust me now, at this point I can break fan. And now once I start breaking my fan, it's gonna be high. Just look at how many pleats I've been just tearing. 1, 2, 3. Now let me break. And we know how we break our fan. Small, big. Let's go there. Small, big. Okay, and you know what, to break 2, we arrange. Now the only difficulty we will face is the down will get missing, and once the down gets missing, another one continues. Hello, that's the only difference in this stuff. Once the down get missing, another one continues. So we go again, small, big. You see, small, big. Then we arrange again. Keep arranging, and the way you're arranging it now, you're making it fair, like very, very fair. Small, big. Now we have gotten here. Now we'll raise it again. Small, big is to raise. And after raising it, maybe I want to raise it once more or so. Or if I notice, okay, I've raised it. Now we all know our range. Please, you should hold. In case you have been given a 1 layer to tie with, you should know. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so what we do now, we start dropping it. Now let me show you how we start dropping it. We have been doing small at the down, big at the top. Small at the down, small here, big here. So now we reverse the process. It will now be small here, then big here. Look at it. Now that's the reason I said you should hold properly. Now be small here, big there. So it's going down now, small, big. You can see it's dropping. So small, big. Make sure it's on top each other. Ladies and gentlemen, you can see how the fan is going. It will stick arrange. Now that I've gotten here, I'm going to try to go pin at the back. Leave that one. Hold there very fair. And also hold there for me very fair. So guys, eyes it on now. So we go over to the back. Now we're going to take it. See, now you can notice some are shorting already. So what we do, we just pick any one from here. That's very fine. Hold it very firm and drag. Drag, see, drag it. Make sure you are dragging too, because if the fabric is too thick, the pin will not enter. Now when it goes in, it comes out. Now because of trust issue, I like pinning twice. Go in again. So let's continue. See, you see, now they are pinned it. Cut firm now. Keep going. See, keep going. Keep going. Keep breaking. When we're breaking, so we arrange it. We do small and big. You just keep arranging it down. Now let me show you something that will improve your game. Now if you turn this way is wide and you want this side to be wide, you will not change it back to the small big. But if you don't want it to be, leave it the way it was, the way you were dropping it. So guys, we're going to continue this till the end. This is something you must watch so that whenever you are in this situation, you should know what to do. So we pleat to the end. After we get to the end, what do? We just wrap. Please hold your 2 years. I tell you about it towards this 2 years. So we can wrap. Now once we wrap, now at this point now, you'll be saying the model we are using a 2-layer. How are we going to pin? How are we going to do this now? See, let's just pin with the excess at the back. Now before you start doing all this, you can see I'm kind of dragging it for this to meet this, for this to meet this. So please, whenever you're doing something like this, always tell the model, your client, or whoever you're tying on to hold, so that once you pin, it doesn't pull off. You get, so trying to get it, you just pin. So you don't say, I'm using a 2-layer. Will it cover? You know, we make some pleats. It will. And so just pin and pin. So we all have a full fan. So you get, this is a full fan. So if you want to learn how to tie a full fan, so what we do now, if it's not balanced here, check. You can see it's firm, so what you need to do, hold the ears for me, push it back. So guys, this is how to tie with 1 layer, 2 layers. Trust me, you see it's very high. All you just need is a good fabric that is high, and you are good to go to do it the gele way. This is a full fan gele. So thank you guys. So now we did runner. Oh, we did runner. Okay, yeah.